Can I increase testosterone from listening to binaural beats? Listening to binaural beats has become a wildly popular method of providing soothing and relaxing benefits to listeners. There also seems to be a growing amount of evidence that shows binaural beats can increase the release of hormones and chemicals within the brain. Because of the positive benefits associated with higher levels of testosterone, it's completely understandable that you would want to increase your testosterone levels naturally. So, can I increase testosterone from listening to binaural beats? It's possible to activate the areas of the brain that control testosterone by listening to binaural beats. However, you need to make sure that you do it correctly to get the best results. Testosterone is one of the most important hormones in the body, especially for males. In this first section, we'll overview what testosterone is and why it's important to maintain appropriate levels of this hormone. An overview of testosterone. Testosterone is most well known as the male sex hormone controlled by the pituitary gland that's responsible for male development. Though most often associated with males, both males and females need testosterone to perform many functions within the body. Once you understand what testosterone does and how it can improve your health, you'll want to learn about how meditation and binaural beats can naturally help you increase your testosterone and reap the benefits by taking a look at the many vital roles testosterone plays in the body. The role of testosterone within the body. When you think of testosterone, the first thing you probably think about is the role it plays in sexual reproduction and the development of male characteristics. Yet, that's only a small portion of what testosterone actually does within the body. Here are several other roles testosterone plays. Muscle growth. When testosterone levels in your body are high, you are more likely to be able to increase your strength and power while also developing muscle growth. In addition to larger muscles, you might also notice lower levels of body fat and increased energy levels. Basically, your physique and body composition will both improve. Youthfulness. Testosterone also plays a vital role in helping you maintain a more youthful appearance. While it can physically stop the aging process, it can help you to reduce age-related changes in your skin and develop muscle mass most commonly associated with younger populations. Sexual reproduction. This is the most commonly known responsibility of testosterone in males. Not only does testosterone increase your sex drive, but it can also help produce higher quality sperm, prevent sexual dysfunction, and improve sexual performance overall. Sperm quality. In the realm of sexual reproduction, testosterone is partially responsible for creating sperm and maintaining sperm quality. That means you might have a higher sperm count and able to reproduce more easily. There are other chemicals and hormones in this process, but testosterone is one of the most important. Your body needs testosterone to function properly. If you have low levels of testosterone or just want to boost them a bit to achieve some of these effects, there are natural ways to do so without causing damage to your body and mind. Meditation and hormone balance. Before we even get into how binaural beats can help with testosterone levels, we're going to briefly review how meditation and hormone balance relate. Stress and anxiety have the direct ability to impact the release of hormones and chemicals within the body. That means if you have higher levels of stress, you might notice a change in behavior, mood, and body functioning. By reducing stress and increasing relaxation through meditation, you can more effectively target the release and function of hormones within your body. Binaural beats and testosterone. Increasing your testosterone levels can significantly improve the status of your health and wellness. Though the most direct method of increasing testosterone is by injections or supplements prescribed by your doctor. However, there are other ways to increase your testosterone. In particular, binaural beats are an effective method of activating your pituitary gland and triggering the release of testosterone within the body. In addition to listening to binaural beats within a specific frequency range, you can also target other aspects of your life that can impact testosterone levels. How you can reprogram your brain. In order to target your body's ability to release hormones like testosterone, you need to reprogram your brain. What does that actually mean? Well, the status of the brainwaves within your brain has the ability to affect your mood, behavior, and consciousness, as well as the functioning of certain parts of your brain. When certain brainwaves become more apparent, specific events and functions are more likely to occur. For example, relaxation is a common effect when alpha waves are more predominant. By activating this type of brainwave, you're triggering the intended result. To reprogram your brain, you'll focus on increasing the brainwaves associated with your goals. How to use binaural beats to increase testosterone. In order to target the release of testosterone within the body, you need to listen to binaural beats within the delta range of 1 to 4 Hz. Here's how it works. When you listen to delta sound frequencies, you're triggering the release of hormones like DHEA, whose main responsibility is causing the release of hormones like estrogen and testosterone. Therefore, an increase in testosterone is a secondary effect of listening to binaural beats in the delta range. Just like any therapeutic method, you need to be consistent in order to notice your intended results. That means listening to delta binaural beats once a day for about 30 minutes at a time. Keep in mind that binaural beats are not a magic cure in any sense, and binaural beats on their own will not significantly impact testosterone levels. Other ways to increase testosterone. In addition to binaural beats, you should also be tackling this issue from several other angles as well. In all actuality, it's possible to impact your testosterone levels through daily activities that you're already doing. You might just need to adjust them a little to reach this goal of increased testosterone. Here are 3 other activities that can impact testosterone levels in your body. Healthy eating. When you eat a balanced diet, testosterone levels shouldn't be a major concern. But if you're trying to increase your testosterone, there are several foods you can eat that can trigger a release, specifically eggs, tuna, beef, shellfish, and fresh vegetables, among many others. Exercise. When you exercise, especially with a workout that targets strenuous use of your muscles, your body will naturally increase its level of testosterone. With that said, the more muscle mass you have, the more testosterone your body will naturally produce. Sleep. Like many other functions within the body, the production of testosterone is more likely to occur while you're asleep. When you're getting high-quality sleep for several hours at a time, your body will produce greater amounts of testosterone. Ideally, you should be aiming between 7.5 to 9 hours, but leaning more towards the 9-hour mark for optimal results. If you're looking to naturally boost testosterone levels without the use of injections or artificial supplements, binaural beats can help you to reach this goal. With that said, there are many other steps you should be taking in order to guarantee that you'll reach this health goal. Here are the 2 key takeaways from this video for increasing your testosterone naturally. Number 1, listen to binaural beats at the delta range of 1 to 4 Hz to trigger the release of DHEA, which releases testosterone. Number 2, put a lot of focus on eating a balanced diet, exercising frequently, and getting an adequate amount of sleep. Sources and reference links are in the description below. If you stuck around to the end, please like and subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.